everyone. I'm Mikal Bielinski. I'm really happy to be among you, musicians and new music people, because I'm used to be surrounded by actors and dancers and directors. I'm a musician, a multidisciplinary artist. I work as a musician, a poet, and also a director. I direct my own pieces, but I worked a lot in theater and dance. And yes, really happy to be in front of you. So I'm honored to be to have been invited by you to talk about intermedia and music, because I've been lately working on pieces, personal pieces about music, and create space for music and listening to music differently than traditional concerts. So briefly, my practice is around voice and poetry and spoken word, but also around space. I work, I don't think you can see it there, but I'm going to show you an extract later. I work mostly, yes, around voice and electronic music, but I also create, you can see some people there, on spaces, theatrical spaces with dramaturgy. I blend different influences. I also, as Kate, as Kate said, I'm very influenced by early music and also music from other cultures and other times. And I try to remix them in my own way while blending other media to it. I'm also a performer, so my big fun is just to do it in front of people and to share it. So I'm going to talk to you about Gloria, which is a really good example of what I do. I'm gonna show you what it is, and then I'm gonna explain. Start. So yes, so this was an example of I show you a picture. Yes, this is an 360 installation circle installation. The concert is inside and people are on cushion inside, and I just stand in the middle. And this is kind of a blend between liturgic singing and folkloric singing, as you heard, my own version of a Bulgarian traditional singing called Priturice Planinata. I do it in a very instinctive way, and to amplify my intention, artistic intention, I work with other media. So here we have first the space, which collaborate to create a communion feel, and you also see the images that are really big. This video going on, this interactive video that goes with that follows the voice. I experiment a lot with the voice also. with the form of it, and so yes, the space, the video, and the music, the electronic music that goes with it. Yes, what else? No, in poetry there is also a narration, and yes, what can I add? So this piece was presented in Art Vivant, like live arts context, but it's also it's great because it's musical, so it's a musical experience, and it's a way of giving music differently. People feel when they see the show, they feel really transported. No, I cannot say that. Sorry. Yeah, moved, and it gives an impression of connection to yourself, to others, and to something bigger than you, which is community, nature, and also somehow divine in a way. And so it gives kind of a sacred a moment, opportunity also for people to feel spirituality in a different way, and to use the scene as a moment of sharing, meeting, and transcendence. I said that? Yes. So I'm working these days on a new piece which is called Myth, and it works with technology, but it's a more sound music and poetry show, and it's a polyphonic choir of 6 women, and we work a lot on themes like death, cycle of death and life. Also, we work a lot on the spirituality of ancient times and try to connect it with our own despair to die, and to try to find responses to that identity that we're trying to always be in peace with the fact that we're gonna die. So this is I can maybe show you just the extract of a teaser I did, but yes, it's for 6 people, 6 women, wonderful women, but still I'm alone on the teaser. Gives you a little bit the contemporary feel with the sacred singing. And we're going to do an extract, Emily and I, because Emily's in the show, so please come. So I wanted to talk a lot more about intermedia creation, but I feel this is a great example of poetry blended into musical psalmody. Can I say that? Yeah. Kind of a religious way of saying the words. So, and this is a piece inspired by the myth of Icarus and dream time, which is the time of, in the mythology of Australian indigenous people, about the ancient time where everything was created. Même si rien n'adhère à nos parois, même si le froid nous enserre, il faudra résister, se faire récit. Parce que j'aime une chose et son contraire, l'infini avance comme une rivière immense s'épanche de dérive, reprendre la mer, esquiver l'ineptie,
Tendre l'oreille sourde de bruit, entend la puissance du silence et l'amour qu'on enterre. I dare, quiconque me suit m'éclaire. La joie tous les jours opère, nos cœurs pourpres s'accrochent à l'intime, mais l'effort constant et le mystère. Les heures ne s'écoulent plus quand on regarde ailleurs. Time out of time, s'élancer, se mouvoir dans les airs. Car à fond dans le soleil, on prend le chemin des hauteurs. Sans repère, bodies are chimes, echoes, ne plus penser, renverser la vapeur. Va au-delà des noirceurs, abandon your will, your vows. Your skin is pearling, le salut sera une page blanche à refaire. From now on we get along, si bon qu'on remet la chanson. We give our song to the one we love, we are above. L'effacement de ma trace commence. I won't be a goddess even if I obsesse à gagner la bataille. L'immortelle faille de savoir que l'on sait que l'on sera jamais. We fly, mais on s'enivre de ses restes. We make a fuss by blessing each other, telling to everyone we are one. All made of seas and breezes of flesh. Quand ce sera terminé, je recommencerai. In the end, we will do it again, repeat it again. I follow, yeah, I know something will grow out of the morning. I'm holding my breath to dive in, to leave behind my sins in time. I believe everything you sing. Nothing is better than this moment together. Nothing is better than this moment together. This moment together. This moment together. Nothing is better than this moment together. This moment together. This moment together continues to live while I'm shot, going faster down deep below. Il y a trop d'avenues, de routes d'air rouge et nana accélère ma chute. Shot. Please tell me your colors and textures. Rise, how pure is your fever? My Iowa will always grow, flourish and blow forever. A blast of mellow all around, the ground is full of wisdom. Le homme se transmet des ancêtres, le même chemin du début à la fin. Le cas suit a series of jest and fest and fire, five fini. Flee far, finally I blaze through the glass of language. I speak easily, ici ou ailleurs. L'avenir s'amène haut les cœurs, where I lift myself au-dessus des heures. The core of the scene is to challenge my will, my one, my war. Chacun sa course, sa source, sa saveur. Sweet savoir, a flash of desire transperce le noir. Un éclair métaphore suffit à faire croire. Innominé, sovereign, néo salve, sixty-ray, adoré. A mirror of my deity, I want to give birth to the sea. To blossom and glare as long as you care for glory. Divinima, taios, infine foi. Parole haute, folie en aval, irradier le mental et jeter des sorts. Mythology to cure la mort, le pouls. Pulsing again, we will do it again, repeat it again, expel it again. Autumn, Osiris, I follow, yeah, I know. The bistemo is the root of endless flows. Something will grow out of my soaring. Iao, iasa, ovio, aeya. We will swallow all the shadows, s'élancer comme s'effaceront mes nerfs. Ma chair rêche, rage une dernière fois, se noient les espoirs, arc de renaître de ses cendres. Zéo, Dicéo, lycée levo, brasse l'as de dices, flambe les ailes. Météo prolifie, fer, fi, car, shiver, spine, choc, cire, va, vrisseau. Brille vers son or, ciel, sud, terre, axes, hachés, solaire, cause, astre, moss, ashes of, ashes of, ashes of, ashes of, me, 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 me.
Thank you.